Hello students, how to solve this type of question? This type of questions came in the TIFR in the year 2020, and it is from the genetic code, that means molecular biology segment, and the question asked about how many different types of tRNA molecules are possible in a hypothetical organism. That means you consider a hypothetical organism where the ribosome detect quadruplet instead of triplet codon. We know that in a normal cell the codon is triplet, that means the codon contains 3 nucleotide segments. In a normal cell, codon triplet means 3 nucleotide containing codon. So total codon amount in normal cell is 4 to the power n. The formula is 4 to the power n. N means number of nucleotides. So in normal cell, the number of nucleotides n equals to 3. That means 4 to the power cube. So total codon will be 64. Just use your basic knowledge. Each codon for the recognition needs the anticodon tRNA. That means in a normal cell, that amount, the number of codons, that amount anticodon containing tRNA molecules name. So in a normal cell, 64 tRNA needed. But in the normal cell, there is also a hypothesis known as Ubel hypothesis. Ubel hypothesis clearly state that the total number of total number of tRNA molecule is not 64. It is half of the 64. That means 32 tRNA can cover all 64 codons. That's called the Ubel hypothesis proposed by Crick. But is this hypothesis applied to the hypothetical organism also? Answer is clear no. So we do not consider Ubel hypothesis theory in that question where the organism is hypothetical. This Ubel hypothesis is the clearly living organism and the normal organism, normal cells, applied for the normal cells, but not in the case of hypothetical organism. So clearly omitted the Ubel hypothesis theory. So just remember, in a normal cell, the 64 tRNA need, that means the number of codons equals to your tRNA molecule, right? So now in the case of hypothetical organism where the codon is not triplet, it is quadruplet, how we can calculate? Check. So in hypothetical organism, codon is quadruplet, means 4 nucleotide codon length. So if 4 nucleotide codon length, we clearly we can demonstrate how many number of codons present in that hypothetical organism. So clearly the number of codons in hypothetical organism is, we write about the formula 4 to the power n. Now here n equals to 4. Before in the cell, normal cell, it is n equals to 3, but here n equals to 4. So 4 to the power 4, that means 256 codons are now available in the hypothetical organism. 256 codons are available. So here no Ubel hypothesis is applied. That's why the number of tRNA need to code 256 codons is 256 tRNA, because each tRNA code a single codon, specify a single codon. So it's a tricky question. It's a hypothetical one, hypothetical question that given in the TIFR and make the puzzle about the student's brain. So that will be the approach. How to solve this type of question? That will be the approach. First, remember the rule that follow in the normal cell, then apply this rule in the hypothetical organism also, and you get the answer. So from that, the option is 4. 4 options are given MCQ question, and the option is 4, right? So that's the end, and we will back with the another interesting MCQ the next day also. Tata. Thank you.